What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some leftover turkey soup. Thanksgiving is gone, but the turkey remains. What are we going to do? We're going to make some soup. So let's make some soup, boy. Yeah! That's right, Gladys Knight, leftover turkey soup. Because it's right after Thanksgiving and you got a whole bunch of turkey left. And you don't want what to do, because you got to get that shit used up pretty quick. You know, in the refrigerator, that turkey's only good for about 3 days. If you want to freeze it, it'll last a couple months or so. But me, I want to get on it and get it done. So, let's go ahead and start. Now, I've already got the noodles boiled and set aside in this thing here. Today, I use some old Amish noodles, if you know what I'm talking about. The good stuff. Old Weird Al Yankovic approved. So, we got our noodles done. The turkey, of course, is already done from yesterday. Good stuff. Less time to work. So, we're going to put some water back in this skillet. And the first thing that I want you to do is get your chicken base. Now, this is better than Bullion premium roasted chicken base. This is good stuff, baby. Gonna make it taste like you kissing foghorn leghorn in there. Just all kinds of chicken flavor. And that's the thing, because the chicken and the turkey, very similar style, sir. So, let's go ahead and dump some of that in there. Yes, sir. And take your fork and kind of spin that thing around there and make it good. Till it gets that good color to it that you see right there, sir. Next thing that you want to do, go ahead and add that old turkey lurkey, sir. Now don't be shy with it. Use all of it, baby. Just dump it right on in there. Don't worry about picking through it or trying to separate it or do anything crazy like that. Just dump it right in. And then, let's go ahead and get our celery in there. Now, that celery is good for you, baby. It's a good vegetable and it's going to make you grow up big and strong like King Kong Bundy. So, you got to put that in there. Let's go ahead and grab it here and dump it right down in. Now, looking good. Let's go ahead and add our next ingredient, which is the sliced carrots. Now, these are Bugs Bunny's favorites, so you got to put them in there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle that carrot. Looks good. Now we've got everything in there. You know what we're going to do now, baby. Salt and pepper, just for flavor. Good stuff. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And a little bit of that black pepper too. Now, we got everything in here. We're going to let it stew. And you know, if you wanted to, you could have taken the bone from the turkey and kind of made a little broth out of that with a little roux and a little flour and things like that. But you know me, baby. Ain't got time for that shit. No! So, we've got this going. We're going to put this lid on here and we're going to let it stew probably about 15 or 20 minutes or so. And then it should be done. And we'll be ready to have some fun with this big old turkey soup tonight, boy. Ooh! Alright, buddy, the time has come. The leftover turkey soup is done. And I'm having the first bite for me. Ooh, boy. Look at this. Oh! Turkey 2 days in a row, boy. Make you do the turkey strut. Ooh! Ooh! That's good. And a great way to use up all that leftover turkey, baby, so you don't have to waste it. So it doesn't sit in there and, get old Osmosis Jones hanging around in there. So we don't want that. That's nasty. But this is good. And I want to thank all of you good people out there for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy that soup, baby. And I'll see you next time.